If you keep opening distracting apps like Discord, Steam, WhatsApp, and more when you should be working or studying, this video will help. Today I'll show you a simple way to block distracting apps on Mac and Windows using Cisdem AppCrypt. Let's get started. Step 1. Install AppCrypt. First, download and install AppCrypt from its official site. Or you can find the free download link in the description section below this video. Open the app. The first time you launch it, you'll be asked to create a password. Make sure to choose a password you won't easily ignore, because this password will be used to unlock blocked apps and change settings. Once that's done, AppCrypt will run quietly in the background. Right-click the lock icon on the menu bar or taskbar. Select Open Main Window. Enter the password to access the main window. Step 2. Add distracting apps to block. Now click App Lock. Drag and drop the desktop shortcut icon of the distracting apps into the program. For example, Discord, Steam, Spotify, Chrome, game apps, or any other app that keeps stealing your attention. You can also use the plus button. Now the apps are instantly blocked. If someone tries to open them, AppCrypt will ask for the password. To block distracting apps for yourself, you can ask a family member or friend to set the password for you. Step 3. Create a blocking schedule. You can also create schedules so apps are blocked only during certain hours. Click Schedule. Set the days and times you want according to your needs. You can also create custom schedule for certain apps. Select the app. Click the clock icon. Enable custom schedule. Add schedule. Set the blocking time you desired. For example, block social media apps during work hours. Block games at night. This is useful because you can still use the apps during your free time without uninstalling them completely. It's recommended to go to the Preferences tab and enable several options to make the blocking more effective, such as Launch at System Startup, Disable Task Manager, Disable CMD, Disable System Settings. It also offers an option to automatically relock apps after a period of inactivity. Cisdem AppCrypt also let you block distracting websites. You can add specific sites or categories of sites to block. That's how to block distracting apps using AppCrypt. With AppCrypt, you can block distracting apps instantly, set schedules, password protect apps, reduce screen time, improve focus while studying or working, block distracting websites too. It works on Windows 10, 11, macOS 12 or later. It is also available for Android, iPhone, and iPad. It's one of the easiest ways to stay focused and avoid mindless scrolling or gaming during work or study time. If this video helped you, give it a like. Thanks for watching.